Alright, welcome to our physics funhouse. This is put on by me, Jared, Carlos, and Carter. We call this one the House of Horrors. It's basically going to be like a haunted house, and you're going to be walking through a different mazes. So the first one you're going to be going through is this one. It's called the Never-Ending Room of Echoes. The walls are shaped so that the sound waves aren't able to escape. So it's going to be just forming echoes all over because there's speakers on the ground and speakers up here. So the echoes are just going to be going up there and then here. And so the next room we're going to be going through is this room with reflections. There's going to be a convex mirror here, and then two plane mirrors right here, and then two strobe lights. The strobe lights are going to be shooting up at the convex mirrors, reflecting the light, and then the plane mirrors are going to be reflecting each other. So it's just going to be reflection after reflection, and there's not really going to end. So it's just going to look like a whole bunch of different reflections. The next room right here is going to be you're going to be in a small room, and there are going to be two mini whiteboards right here being shaken back and forth to make a sound like wind. And then there are going to be high frequency ropes and low frequency ropes producing high and low pitches. And then the next room you're going to be in is a room with lights. There are lights on every corner, almost every side of the room. And so the lights labeled here, the lights labeled with the 2 are going to be on, while the lights labeled with the 1 are going to be off. So every time there's going to be different lights on like every minute, and they're going to produce a different effect every time each one is on and off. And then the next room you're going to be going in is it's an elevator. You go in the elevator. There are speakers on each side, and the speakers are going to be producing screams. We're going to be using the Doppler effect, so some screams are going to be sounding far away, some are going to be sounding close. And then the next room is another elevator. There are going to be convex lens here, convex lens there, and there are 2 images right here. The images are going to be refracted through the lens, and so the image will look like it's on the person or right next to them. So they'll be scared like that. So those are all the rooms of our funhouse. So there's the first floor, second floor, and then the 2 elevators that take you up and down. And here's our layout. And I hope you enjoyed our funhouse. Thank you.
Welcome to our House of Horrors. This is Group 2's project. The first concept is the room of never-ending echoes. We cut the walls to where sound can only come out in certain areas to where the echoes are produced louder or far away. Then our second one is a room with convex mirrors. It makes an image of yourself onto the different mirrors, and it makes you skinny or fat or whatnot. And then our third is a room of not echoes, but wind. There's ropes at the top to make different frequencies and different pitches, and then there's whiteboards on the edges to make the sound of wind. Our fourth room is a room of lights all over the place. The floor is made of glass, and the lights are different colored lights. It's using additive, and they're strobing, so it causes confusion while you're walking through it. Our fifth is an elevator. It uses the Doppler effect of screaming. The different screams come in at different times to make it seem as if there's multiple people in the elevator, even though there's really not. And this is the second part of the elevator. It displays images onto your body to seem like it's a bat or a spider crawling up you, and it has the different lights to make different animals appear onto your body. And this is the floor plan. It's 2 stories, and then to exit you slide down the slide. That's our project.
Alright, so we got a House of Horrors here. 2-story building. two physics concepts on each floor, and we use two in the elevator. So first, when you walk in, you're gonna have a room, speakers, which are producing. The room's designed so echoes can only reach you in certain areas that you go to. Our second room it's our mirror room, and your image will be. It'll appear different because of the convex mirrors we have up top. Our third room is our sound room, another sound room, and we have ropes that are vibrating at different speeds, and they're also different thicknesses, which causes different sounds. And we have two whiteboards making wind sounds. And in our fourth room, we have lights, different colored strobe lights, and our floor is made of glass, which really disorients you with all the lights that are going on there. In this one, you have you're in the elevator now, and there's two speakers that are rotating around you that cause the Doppler effect with screams. And also in the elevator, there's two convex lenses which show the images of spiders and bats crawling all on you, just creep you out. And when you get to the elevator and you're on your way out, there's a side that takes you to the exit. That's it.